This is a how-to video on how to make a cardboard box using Autodesk Maya. This video is meant for beginners. It uses no shortcuts or plugins for the viewer's convenience. Okay, so the first step of this box will be making the base. So we'll go to Poly Modeling and to Polygon Cube. Now we can move this cube anywhere or really make it any size. For step 2, we will take this box and duplicate it. We'll have to readjust it to make it more flap size. To make the second flap, we'll take the first flap and duplicate it also. Have to readjust these to make them outward facing. When we're happy with our box and our flaps, we shift click each one so that we can have them all selected, and we'll go to render. Add a Lambert material on it and change the color to make it look more like a cardboard box. Maybe we like that color. When we're finally happy with our box, we will hit IPR render. And we have our completed box.